Hello people, Carl Muller, Travel and Adventure. This is just a little update on the channel because you subscribers might have been wondering why there hasn't been any content lately. Well, as you can see, I haven't died yet, but I've had some medical problem that's laid me low for the last 6 or 7 weeks. I've been going to the doctor many times trying to get to the bottom of it, but as yet, not. But I am going to another doctor next week, have a full specialist checkup, see if we can get to the bottom of it, get it fixed, and I can get out and film some good stuff for you guys. I've got stuff I want to do, so just hang in there, don't leave me, and hopefully I'll be back soon putting some stuff up. So just give us a thumbs up, comment down below if you like, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.